Surah Al-Baqarah, Al-Quran, Chapter 2. It was revealed gradually over several years after the Hijrah, migration, of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to Medina. Some verses were revealed after the Battle of Badr, others during different phases of the Medina period. The last verse of Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 281, is among the last verses ever revealed in the Quran. Purpose of revelation. Surah Al-Baqarah addresses a wide range of topics. Its primary purposes include 1. Establishing a new Muslim society guidance on law, ethics, economy, family matters, and social justice. Detailed laws of inheritance, marriage, divorce, fasting, Hajj, and trade. 2. Differentiating the Muslim Ummah clarifies that the Muslims are now the chosen Ummah due to their submission to Allah. Replaces the Qibla from Jerusalem to Makkah, showing the shift in religious leadership. 3. Warning Bani Israel criticizes the hypocrisy, disobedience, and distortion of previous scriptures by Bani Israel, children of Israel. Reminds Muslims not to fall into the same mistakes. 4. Spiritual and moral guidance stories of prophets like Ibrahim, alayhi salam, Musa, alayhi salam, and Adam, alayhi salam, are told to give moral and spiritual lessons. 5. Strong emphasis on taqwa, God consciousness. It begins with, "This is the book about which there is no doubt, a guidance for those conscious of Allah." Menu 2, protection from shaitan, Satan. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Do not turn your houses into graves. Verily, shaitan does not enter the house where Surah Al-Baqarah is recited." Sahih Muslim, 780, strong spiritual shield. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Recite Surah Al-Baqarah, for taking it is a blessing, and leaving it is a cause of grief, and the magicians cannot confront it." Sahih Muslim. 2 special verses at the end, Ayat al-Akhirah. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever recites the last 2 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah at night, they will suffice him." Sahih al-Bukhari and Muslim. These verses are Ayah 285 and 286. "They will suffice him" is interpreted as meaning protection from evil, Qiyam al-Layl, night prayer, and sufficiency and reward. Contains Ayat al-Kursi, verse 255. One of the most powerful verses in the Quran. Allah, there is no deity except Him, the ever-living, the sustainer of all existence. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:255. Benefits of Ayat al-Kursi, protection from evil. Reciting it after each obligatory prayer is highly rewarding. Reciting it before sleeping brings safety from shaitan till morning. Key lessons from Surah Al-Baqarah. Taqwa, piety, is the key to guidance. Islam is a complete way of life, spiritual, legal, and moral. Unity of the Ummah is central. Emphasis on sincerity,